Hey, what's up, you guys? I told you to be back in a bit. Jeff again, JBig Cards.
Did I say that twice?
Whatever. Anyway, yeah, like I said again, I was gonna come back and open this. So, let's crack her open, though. Let's get a nasty hit. Why you gotta do it again? Hi. Sorry, Sammy. Wow. Alright, you guys, let's check it out. Try not to see any of the cards. I got a book.
No, it's not.
I got a book. You know, Emmett didn't believe me, and I just proved his ass wrong. Wilt Chamberlain. Let's put that book for aside just a little bit. My hands are all shaking. Eric Gordon, Clippers. Maurice Cheeks. Kevin Durant. Patch, not bad. Alright, whatevers. Alright, let's roll through this one. Drew Holiday. What is this number 2? 19 of 25. I know, give me a second. My brother's like flipping. I know, that's why my hands are shaking, dude. I put him on life. Out of 99, Drew Holiday. Jason Richardson. Out of 99. And Josh Smith at 45 out of 99. Alright, let's see that. Crazy. My hands are still shaking because I know it's a good one. I've seen it. It is an all-stars matchup, folks. 20 of 25. Oh, my hands are shaking. Vince Carter, Grant Hill, David Robertson, and Gary Payton.
Dude, oh my God.
Whoa. It'll pick up after my hands stop shaking a little bit. Alright, you guys. There you guys go. Not bad. Thanks to my grandpa and my brother Edmund, man, they got me that for a Christmas gift. So, man, thanks to those guys, I got a pretty good box, man. Actually, a great box. You guys grab some hits. Take care, like always, and see you soon.